Welcome to the official certification program for the IBM Digital and Growth Marketing Professional Certificate. Master the art of digital strategy, SEO, social media, and generative AI marketing with industry leaders. Welcome to the program. Unlock your potential with a curriculum designed for real-world impact. This program is ideal for beginners, professionals aiming to upskill, and entrepreneurs. You will learn through flexible, self-paced modules, hands-on labs, and earn IBM-branded digital badges and a professional certificate, leading to a job-ready portfolio. This comprehensive program is a 7-course pathway to digital mastery, expected to take 60 to 90 hours with a flexible schedule. The courses cover fundamentals, digital advertising, SEO and content, social media, e-commerce and email, generative AI, and a capstone project. Upon completion, you will earn an IBM Digital Badge. This is a powerful collaboration delivering world-class education. The Baroda Institute of Technology is the academic host. IBM serves as the industry leader, providing the curriculum and professional certification. IIT Patna Vishlesan I-Hub is the innovation hub, empowering the program with an innovation ecosystem and academic rigor. Course 1 of 7 is Digital Marketing Fundamentals. Build a solid groundwork by mastering core concepts like channels and funnels, personas and strategy, KPIs and analytics, and ethics and privacy. Course 2 focuses on digital advertising for paid media mastery. You'll master paid acquisition through PPC, social ads, and strategic campaign management, including bidding strategies, creative best practices, budget optimization, and tracking ROI. Course 3 covers SEO and content marketing for growth and visibility. Master the art of organic growth by combining technical SEO with compelling content strategies. Topics include keyword research, on-page and technical SEO, content strategy, and link building and analytics. Course 4 is Social Media Management, focusing on community and brand. Learn to build communities, craft viral content, and manage brand reputation. Key areas include strategy and goals, content pillars, community management, and social listening. Course 5, E-commerce and Email Campaigns, is about conversion mastery. Master driving online sales through strategic email marketing and optimized e-commerce funnels. Topics cover store funnels, list growth and segmentation, lifecycle journeys, and deliverability and metrics. Course 6, Generative AI for Digital Marketing, covers advanced innovation. Leverage cutting-edge AI tools to revolutionize content creation and marketing strategies. Focus areas are prompt engineering, AI asset generation, SEO and AI overviews, and personalization at scale. The final milestone is Course 7, Capstone Project. Apply everything you've learned by creating a comprehensive digital marketing campaign for a real-world scenario. The outcome is a portfolio-ready case study that you can showcase in job interviews and on LinkedIn. You will gain a hands-on learning experience, bridging theory and practice using industry-standard tools. This includes using a learning dashboard, Google Analytics 4, and simulating social media, email campaigns, and SEO audits in a dedicated capstone workspace. You'll build a robust toolkit of in-demand digital competencies. Key skills include SEO fundamentals, content marketing, PPC and paid media, social media strategy, email automation, web analytics and KPIs, customer journey mapping, generative AI for marketers, and campaign planning. The program unlocks diverse career opportunities in high-growth industries like tech, e-commerce, and BFSI. Roles include Digital Marketing Associate, SEO Specialist, Growth Marketer, and Marketing Analyst. Your IBM badges and capstone project will help you stand out in the job market. Why choose this program? You gain IBM digital credentials, a hands-on portfolio, and an industry-aligned curriculum, including generative AI. Benefit from a flexible schedule, expert support, a peer network, and a clear career pathway. This specialization comparison highlights the unique goals of social media marketing, email marketing, and display and video ads. Social media builds awareness, email nurtures leads and drives conversions, and display ads focus on broad reach and visual impact. The Share a Coke campaign is a social media marketing success story. By personalizing the product, Coca-Cola turned consumers into brand ambassadors, generating over 500,000 photos shared and increasing U.S. sales by 2%. A Chicago hotel's email marketing success story demonstrates the power of targeted ROI optimization. By revamping its strategy to use highly personalized offers, the hotel achieved a 215-to-1 ROI and a 48% open rate, significantly exceeding the industry average. Thula's display and video ad success story shows the effectiveness of the Amazon Ads video campaign. Video creatives resulted in a 53% lower cost per purchase and 2.4 times higher ROAS compared to static ads due to increased engagement and precise targeting. Ready to start your journey? How to enroll is simple. Visit the admissions portal, select the program, register and complete payment, onboarding, and finally, start learning. Contact the BIT admissions office if you have any questions.